How to add transition effect on CapCut. Are guys facing issues to add transition effect on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on a mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, select the project that you want to add transition effect on. After you open the project, now just simply select the part of the video that you want to add transition. In order to add transition, you need to split the video. If you don't know how to split the video, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you split the video, now just simply tap on this box icon. After you click on it, you can see multiple transition effect over here. Select it according to your preference. After you select it, tap on check icon. And as you guys can see, transition effect has been added on our video clip. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna add transition effect. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.